What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. We are back. We're back nice and strong, guys. We had one of the best days possible in the Discord. We only had 2 people read out of 500 people. I ended up making over $18,000 today in my Apex account and ended up making over $5,000 today in my options account. I'm going to show you exactly what we did as well as the upcoming game plan for tomorrow. Before we get into today's video, guys, we have a 5-day free trial happening right now. If you'd like to be a part of it, the link is in the bio. Let's get into it. So, first things first, guys. The first play we ended up getting was puts off the bat, okay? I ended up sniping puts at the 9 EMA in the 5-minute time frame. I made my daily goal, bam, right here. And I ended up getting calls, guys. I got calls twice on this play. I'm going to show you on the 1-minute time frame because it'll make a lot more sense. First call play, guys, Dimitri, myself, and Gundy. We ended up hitting calls near the low of the day. Literally right here, we took this move, guys. We broke out of the downtrend, and we all sold this rip. This was over $2,000 in just this 2-minute play. We all sold out. It came right back down, guys, and we got right back in. As soon as this floor started developing, I'm going to show you on the 5-minute time frame so you can see it a little bit better. This floor, we had a key level, guys, at 420 or 471.29. Do you see this floor that was developing at our key level? Every time we came under it, we bounced right back. Came under it, bounced back up. We kept leaving wicks. As soon as this candle happened, it ended up making a new low of the day and then started looking bullish. Myself, Gundy, Dimitri, options doctor, guys, we ended up hitting calls again on the same trade, which ended up being the low of day before we got the high of day. So we banked on this immensely. The next trade it ended up taking, guys, was puts at what time was this at? At 10:20. Again, I'm going to show you on the 1 minute right now. At 10:20 a.m. this morning, we ended up breaking through this powerful move to the upside, guys. We ended up breaking through multiple EMA lines and a key level without retesting at 471.29. As soon as we ripped back up, guys, we ended up hitting these puts. We sold the move, got right back in at 472. The key level that I told you guys in this morning's live stream, 472, was a massive key level. We ended up shorting again. As soon as we broke up on the 5-minute time frame, where is this? On the 5-minute time frame, guys, we ended up hitting the 30 EMA. I'm going to show you why I got into this. So, first things first, you see how we broke through this yellow line's the VWAP, the white line's the 9 EMA, the purple line's the 13 EMA, and the 21 EMA is the orange line. We ended up ripping through all of these key levels. I ended up buying in right here. As soon as we came back up, I doubled down because I knew we were going to come back down to at least retest the VWAP, and that's what happened. That was another wicked play of the day. The second last trade of the day, or third last trade of the day, guys. Of course, we're playing our key level, 472.70. It's written down on the Discord as one of my key levels today. I told you guys in the pre-market live stream, as well as in last night's video, 472.70. I ended up getting puts here. This was a little bit of a hold, guys, but again, we banked again. All 6 trades I entered today, once I clicked buy, I was green on all of them. I didn't even flip red on anything other than the last trade of the day, which I'm going to show you, or the second last trade. But this is what I was doing, guys. We literally, every trade we were calling ended up being the best level to buy. We literally shorted the high of day today live on the stream on the Discord, guys, and this play printed. Do you think I held through this whole move? Of course not, guys. I sold right here and probably made a couple grand off that one move. I do not need to hold. I'm buying where I'm supposed to be buying, and I'm selling the move. The next trade, guys, Dimitri, Options Doctor, and Gundy were live on the Discord like they always are after I'm finished the morning live stream, and Dimitri called out calls literally at 470. But if you're looking right now, I made these 2 levels on the pre-market live stream green. 470, 469.42. This was our level for calls. Do you see as soon as we broke under 470, because 470 is a big psychological number, we came right back up and it ended up being the absolute low of day. Everyone in the Discord went extremely green, guys. This was one of the best plays of the day. When it comes to my losing trade, I'm going to show you right now what trade I ended up getting into. This candle right here at 15:45 Eastern time, guys. I ended up getting shorts around right here. I doubled down at the top, and this play realistically should have went down. The reason why I didn't, it was way too close to close. I'm going to show you exactly why I ended up getting into this trade. You see how bunched up these EMA lines are? We broke through all of these lines and the VWAP, and we hit the 100 moving average on the 5-minute time frame. We had a nice pullback. I could have sold for profit, and I didn't. So I ended up stopping out at a new high of day, or a new high of this run, and which was right here, guys. But I ended up getting most of my loss back because I just waited for the best setup, and we continued ripping. I was telling everyone, when I got into this trade, this is make or break it. We're either going to fall off a cliff here, or we're going to freaking skyrocket. And it ended up skyrocketing, and I'm okay with that because I was playing with house money. I ended up getting stopped out of here, and guess what? I bought puts exactly at the 200 EMA at the 5-minute time frame, and I made most of my loss back. I'm still up over $5,000 on the day on my options account, and over $18,000 on the Apex account in just these trades that I just went through with you guys. The type of trader I am, I size in very heavy. I get the hell out as soon as possible. And every trade today was picture perfect. Shout out to Dimitri. Shout out to Options Doctor. Shout out to Gundy for live streaming all afternoon, guys. These guys were giving out straight bangers, especially Dimitri calling out the absolute low of the day today. So moving forward into tomorrow, I would just like to let you guys know tomorrow I'm not going to be here. I'm traveling. Same with Dimitri and Options Doctor. We're filming podcast episode 5 in Montreal, guys. So we're all going to be traveling. Gundy's going to be live streaming. Amber's going to be live streaming. We're going to have people there. So next thing, what are we looking at? Well, first of all, before I make a game plan, guys, I like looking at the daily candle. So the daily candle ended up in almost a hammer candle, which is very bullish. So we could be potentially bullish from this stage moving forward. Now let's look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute is what I trade off of. So we ended up breaking through 472. We came back down. We're retesting 472 right now. Tomorrow, 472 is going to be the make or break it level. If we gap down tomorrow, where are we going to want calls? We are going to want calls, the best level possible, 470.73 is going to be a great level. If that doesn't work out, it's going to be 470. To the upper side, guys, 472 support, you're going to want to hit calls. These calls should print to 473.38. On the high side, 474. That is a game plan tomorrow. I'm going to be trading off my phone. If I'm able to trade and hop on the live, guys, I will do that. But that is everything. From what I've been watching on the YouTube analytics, guys, it's like the most view time we have is 7 minutes. So I'm trying to keep these videos within that range. I'm talking very fast, but just so you guys know, this is the game plan for tomorrow. We had a very successful day. One of my biggest green days, the biggest green day in 2024, and I'm coming back tomorrow with a vengeance. Just like I told you guys, I was coming back with a vengeance for today, guys. Yesterday, I ended up getting it stopped out at the low of day for the plan that I wanted to, the trading plan that I planned for. I sized in too heavy. I got in too early. I got stopped out. Today I was coming back, and I did not miss on a single trade other than one YOLO trade. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you guys need anything, please write them in the comments. I will be answering any questions you guys have. Other than that, guys, podcast episode 5 in Montreal. Any questions you guys have, constructive criticism, questions you would like answered on the podcast, please put them in the description or the comments below, guys. But that is everything. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means so much to me, guys, and I continue to crush it with you guys, and I'm looking forward for all of you guys to be self-sufficient traders. I'll see everyone tomorrow around 2 p.m. That's everything. Take care, guys.